Discover, plan, shop, and cook your meals with tinychef, your new smart kitchen assistant that makes your kitchen tasks quick and easy. Wondering what to cook? Discover trending recipes inspired by chefs from all over the world. Oh, and those recipes are handpicked just for you. A complete weekly meal plan for the entire family is just a few clicks away on tinychef. Set your preference, select the number of servings, pick a schedule, and scan your grocery bill. tinychef will do the rest. See a recipe you like but don't have the ingredients? You now get to shop all the ingredients you need in just one click. Finally, when you're ready to cook, send a recipe to your Alexa or Google Home.
Here comes spring making its own statement. Let's cheer up. Happy spring. What would you like to prepare today?
Pancakes.
I have found pancakes dishes that are sweet, mild, or healthy, and more. Any preferences on the flavor?
Yes, a sweet one.
Here are some recipes I've found for you. Which one would you like to pick?
Choose the first one.
Hazelnut chocolate stuffed pancakes provided by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. This recipe serves four. We have two options. We can read the ingredients together or start cooking straight away.
Read the ingredients.
Okay, the ingredients that you will need are. Would you like to start with the recipe steps?
Yes.
To make cooking with me easier, I can speak faster, slower, or even simplify some of these recipe steps.
Hey Google, go slower.
Okay, I'll give you simpler steps. Sieve together refined flour, powdered sugar, and baking powder into a bowl.
Hey Google, go faster.
Okay, I'll combine some steps for you. Sieve together refined flour, powdered sugar, and baking powder into a bowl. Add eggs, vanilla essence, and milk and whisk well to a smooth batter. Do you want to proceed now?
Welcome back to Sanjeev Kapoor Recipes.
Let's make something delicious with Sanjeev Kapoor Recipes powered by Club Chef. What would you like to prepare today?
Show me a recipe for blueberry crumble.
Blueberry crumble by Tupperware. Here are the ingredients and recipe steps. Are you ready to start cooking?
Show me the video. Alexa, let's start cooking.
We will first prep the berries. In a medium bowl, stir together berries, 1/4 cup of flour, granulated sugar, and lemon juice. Pour into base of Micro Pro Grill, set aside. Turn your microwave into a fry pan, an oven, or a grill. With just a single pan. Would you like to know more about it?
Yes.
With Tupperware's Micro Pro Grill, you can bake, grill, crisp and sear, all with one compact pan. Flip burgers, fry vegetables and bake pastries right in your microwave. It's smoke-free, doesn't splatter, and the best part? No extra pots and pans to clean up.
Do you want to buy the Tupperware Micro Pro Grill?
Yes.
Here are the product details from Amazon. Your purchase includes Tupperware Micro Pro Grill, grilling in your microwave, new in unopened box. The total including tax is $191.20. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
To complete purchase, please say Alexa, I'm ready to finish my order.
Alexa, stop the purchase.
And cook side by side with your new kitchen assistant, tinychef.